We are at Politecnico di Milano, the famous and well-known school for architecture and design, and we are starting the International Cluster Workshop for Expo 2015, which the main theme is Feeding the Planet, Energy for Life.
We are a part of a fruit and legumes team, and we have 15 different countries in our cluster, and we are trying to find our relationships between nature and architecture.
This is an international workshop, so it is supposed to create different teams, and the goal is to merge Italian guys who comes from the Politecnico with guys who comes from overseas. In our team we have people who comes from South Africa and others who comes from Israel, and we have been divided in 3 teams.
Feeding the Planet, Energy for Life. The design team comprises of universities from all over the world. I am from Cape Town, South Africa, and we're here to design the Expo for 2015.
The most difficult thing is to represent our theme, that is fruit and legumes, making an architecture on it.
Torniamo indietro, facciamo un riassunto super veloce. The approach that we have on the project of the pavilion will be to connect very strongly the design of the landscape with the singular elements.
The design project presents a challenge to the users in terms of how the public component of it is handled, which has a strong identity, and at the same time the pavilions themselves need to be neutral enough so that they can create, and the countries occupying them can create their own identity. And we need to design to meet these almost contradictory identities, and also the need for a public identity which links the public spaces across 3 different sites.
Like for instance, a village can look something completely random, and then we have to figure out that structure and make something that sort of makes sense and create a new order. So sort of breaking down the grid and creating a more amorphic approach to the whole pavilion.
What remain at the end of the project are the reasons that have built the form of the project. In our case, the nature as regulated by the man is the rule that defines all the form of our pavilion, living forest.